Episode 5 Arrival in India. Hello everyone. In the previous episodes, we explored St Francis Xavier's journey to Portugal and his early missionary activities. Today, we delve into a significant chapter of Xavier's life, his arrival in Goa, India, and the challenges he faced while initiating efforts to spread Christianity in this new land. Xavier's arrival in Goa, India. Xavier's journey from Portugal brought him to Goa, a prominent Portuguese colonial settlement on the western coast of India. The year was 1542 when he arrived in this vibrant and culturally diverse region. Challenges faced by Xavier. Upon arrival, Xavier encountered a myriad of challenges. He was faced with a vastly different cultural, linguistic, and religious landscape. India, a land rich in tradition and diverse beliefs, posed difficulties in conveying the Christian message to the local population. Engagement with the local population. Xavier immersed himself in the local communities, attempting to understand their customs, languages, and beliefs. His aim was to establish a connection with the people and build relationships based on mutual understanding and respect. Xavier's primary objective in India was to introduce the Christian faith to the inhabitants. He began preaching and teaching Christian doctrines, focusing on the fundamental principles and teachings of Christianity, aiming to reach the hearts and minds of the people. Understanding that personal connections were crucial, Xavier fostered relationships with locals, trying to build trust and credibility. His approach involved not only preaching, but also offering assistance and support to those in need within the community. Let us take a look at the challenges faced by Xavier in India. Xavier encountered numerous challenges during his mission in India. The complexities of the cultural and religious fabric, linguistic barriers, and the deeply rooted traditions and beliefs of the local population posed formidable obstacles. Xavier realized the importance of adapting his approach to the Indian context. He respected the local customs and traditions, and in his teachings, he sought to establish connections between Christian principles and the cultural values of the people. Legacy of Xavier's mission in Goa. Xavier's arrival in Goa laid the foundation for the spread of Christianity in the region. His initial efforts, though challenging, established the roots for the Christian presence that will expand and endure over the years. St Francis' arrival in India marked the beginning of a challenging yet crucial phase in his missionary journey. His dedication to understanding the local culture and his initial efforts to spread Christianity set the stage for the wider impact he would have in the region and beyond. Thank you for joining me for this episode. In the upcoming episodes, we will further explore Xavier's missionary activities in India and other regions, and the challenges and successes he encountered in his quest to spread Christianity. Stay tuned for episode 6, where we will delve deeper into Xavier's missionary work in Goa and its impact on the local population.